the data understand the predictive output. So what can be done, what cannot be done, based on the based on that you can give the business insights to your company. So don't worry, right now we are like covering up the theory parts that should be clear first. Once you start your career with data analyst, so it might be boring for someone, it might be interesting for someone, but please sit back and relax. We are just covering the theory part today, initially, so that you can understand what is data analyst and what is exact their work they need to perform. Okay, move to the next one. So like, in the data you can see there will be number also. So you can see maximize profit, product to stock, who are buying. Like there is a sales data, you can go there and check who are the buyers. So you can segregate the buyers also. Okay, this to this age pupils are buying these items, and this to this age pupils are buying the different items. So basis on that you can segregate your data and can understand accordingly. um, like just as an example, it's summer is going to start very soon, right? So everyone will be buying summer clothes. That's a prediction. Okay. So I'm giving this example to connect with you with our daily life. So the summer is going to start. Everyone will be buying, and everyone will be go to a store, super store, and they'll buying the summer clothes. Okay. Because summer is going to start. So that's a prediction. Based on that, the respective seller or respective stock, stock market, or I would say the 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 other stores, they can maintain their stock accordingly. So this is a very simple example to get understand how we can use this in our daily life. A store keeper, a store manager also can do the prediction. So let's move on to the next slide. This is just a sample data of a superstore. This chart you will be able to create very easily once you learn Excel and the other visualization tool like Power BI and Tableau. So this is the sample data of a superstore. Imagine we are in demand, and as a data analyst want to understand how we will do that. I'll give you few of the examples. So looking at the grocery, is this something? Okay, grocery is in top. You can see the bar. We can see it means this is the item which is selling on top level. 70% of sales comes from grocery. Okay, so grocery is the thing which pupils are coming and buying. Okay, most of the pupils are going to uh, buy the grocery in the superstore. But if we look at bottom below two section, any other item and gift items, where business is not running that much as compared to grocery. So basically now we need to check what we can do to increase sales of gifts and any other items. Is there any way? Yes. So just an example, what we can do, we can keep the gift item around the clothes, because clothes are also on the second position here. Okay, so we can keep the gift item around the clothes. Maybe we can imagine some pupils are buying clothes on their special vacation, maybe on their birthday, on their anniversary. If they'll see the gift item also around the clothes, they might be they can make a thought in their mind. Okay, this is the gift also available in the superstore, and we should buy this gift also for their respective or the specific vacation they are coming to. Also, we can see weekly output, what it's saying. 60% of sales happens on weekend. So we can work or any kind of offer we can roll out on in the weekdays also, because weekdays where our sales are coming less as compared to weekends. Going to the next, like we can also predict. Okay, as per our data we can create this graph also, this pie chart. Okay, 6 to um, 10 p.m. we are getting 40% of sales in this duration. So what we can understand, okay, if we want to schedule our staff. Who will be the staff? The guy, they'll be helping to the customer. Okay, this item is available there, this item is available there. Our billing staff also, the other staff also. So we should uh, schedule our staff accordingly. Most of the staff will be scheduled in the 6 to 10 p.m. to handle the customers crowd. Okay, so this, whatever we have discussed, these were the theoretical examples and theoretical database points which I wanted to let you know. Coming to the report and dashboard, what kind of report you will be creating? So this is a simple Excel dashboard which I have created, and you can see you will be also able to create such kind of dashboard, so that you can ask your operation team, your business team, okay, this is your business summary, and you can plan, you can make your decisions accordingly, and that will definitely increase the profit, increase the value of customer, if if you come with this such kind of dashboards. Okay, this is the Excel dashboard, where you can prepare such kind of dashboards and give the insights to your business stakeholders. Going to the next, it is Tableau dashboard, where you can prepare the Tableau is a visualization tool. You will be also easily able to create such kind of dashboards once you are enter into the data analytics training. One by one, we will cover up. I'm assuming, like, okay, maybe some of you are experienced with, okay, maybe you have worked with Excel in your past, maybe you have not. I'll be considering each and everyone that you have not worked with any of the single tool, and even you have not touched till now. We will be starting from the scratch each and everything, even SQL also. Okay. So I'll be starting each and everything from the scratch. Well, I'll explain first the interface of the application. Okay, this is the Excel, these are the interface, where you can find the options, how you can find the options, how you can apply the formula, the simple formula, sum, count, maximum, minimum. Will be start from scratch. So don't worry if you don't know about anything. If you don't know about data analytics D also, I'll be explain each and everything. Going to the next, what work data analysts do. So these are the main things which is comes under data analytics actions, and the job role, like data extraction, preparation, transformation, uh, acquire data from primary or secondary data sources. It might be your SQL, it might be the GCP, the Google Cloud Platform, anything. Analyze the information and identify patterns and trends. Reports generation, that is the very basic task which every data analyst needs to perform. Monitor and maintain the dashboards and reporting, designing dashboards, monitoring performance metrics, analyze results using statistical techniques, and provide ongoing reports. Apart from this, you need to automate the reports, where your intervention will not be required on every day. So once you will create the dashboard, it will be auto run, it will be auto workflow you will be creating, and this will be sending automatically to your operation leads. Now, okay, this is the main question: who can become data analyst? So in the starting, also I have mentioned to you, any graduate, if you are from BTech, BCom, BSc, Pharmacy, MBA, BBA, any professionals, if you are coming from the any existing background, maybe you are working in operation, BPO, PMO, MIS, finance, HR, sales, marketing, or even if you are a fresher, you can become a data analyst. How? Just you need to learn these tools, which we'll be covering in our training part. Excel, basic to advanced, and this basic to advanced applied for each and every. SQL also, Tableau also, Power BI also. We'll start from the basics, everything, and we'll go to the advanced level. And will be learning in a way, such a way, I'll be connecting you each and every topic with your daily life so you can easily understand. Or if even that is not required to connect with your daily life, I'll be creating such easy examples for you so that you can understand easily. Because maybe you are a fresher and you want to learn become data analyst, so it will not easy. So I'll make this all things easy for you. So don't worry, sit back and relax every day. Once, whenever you are coming to in your live training classes, uh, that I'll handle all the things. Don't worry about it. Okay. So this is the career path. Like you can start with data analyst, and there are lots of scope in data analyst itself. If you work in data analyst also, you can. If you want to jump on, like if you are very like interested in the programming, then you can jump to data scientist and then AI engineer also. So there are lots of scope. So basically what happens when the management get the output, they just need the summary. Okay, summary in the sense which I have showed you here. Okay, so they will require such kind of summary. If you are able to prepare such kind of summary, then believe me, you are a data analyst, because you are giving the business insights to them, and that is your main work, so that they can easily understand the trends, what is going on in business, what they need to do, and it will be easy to read and understand step by step, and they can easily make the decision for the um, business needs. Okay, so what we will be covering, let me show you quickly here. And yeah, one more thing I forgot to uh, mentioned you actually. So if you have any questions, you can write it down here with you. At the last 10 minutes, I'll give you not only 10 minutes until I'll be replying each and every questions which will be coming to my way. So don't worry, I'll clear all the queries which are running in your mind. So don't worry about it. Okay. So what we will be covering, data analyst. So MS Excel basic to advanced, that is the main topic of Excel. But there are lots of things which I'll be um, like train you in the introduction part, then referencing, named range. These are the main topics of the Excel. Logical functions also, we look up, h lookup. If you have ever used Excel, definitely you would have heard about this all simple formulas. This will be very simple. We'll be go to advanced functions also, date and text. And if you want this PDF, you'll be getting this PDF also from management team. Data visualization, summarization, connecting to the Power Query, pivot, Power Pivot within Excel. Each and everything will be covered up in the Excel. Then the next topic will be Power BI. So I'll be teaching you how you can install the Power BI also, because that is also a required thing. So in our live classes, you have two options. You can simultaneously you can start the activity which I am teaching you. You can do with me if you have joined with your laptop or your own system. If not, later on, just you need to get 30 minutes time in a day, and you can revise whatever we are learning in our daily classes. You will also have the recording sessions which will be sharing on the portal, so you can go through that if you miss any class. Also, if you have any doubt, you can go back and check what we have understood, what we have learned. If not, next day you can also ask your queries in the start of the 5 to 10 minutes, which I'll be asking every day. Do you have any query from the last session? If not, then only we will start the next day classes. Okay. So each and every day we will have questions and answer Q&A, um, 5 minutes for 5 minutes. Okay. The other topics which we'll be covering, data type and load, these are the like main things which you need to understand and learn while you are using Power BI. Similarly with W also. uh, then go on, and MySQL, which we'll be covering. Here I'll be teaching you how you can install Power MySQL and all the commands, SQL commands, DQL operators, the order by, group by, joins, left join, inner join, right join, and each and everything. So there are lots of things which you will be learning. The main thing which other institute are not providing, like we'll have a like we'll say okay, we can go with 8 students of class only, will not have more than the 8, so that I can focus on each and every one. It will be not like okay, I'll have 50 students in one class, or I'll have uh, uh, more than 50 students in one class, and I am just teaching you, and I am just like ending my day. Okay, I have done with my all things and each and everything, but not. We'll have a mm, less amount of students so that we can interact with each and everyone. You can also ask your questions. You will also have the sufficient time to connect with me each and every day. Okay, so that is the main thing which we have decided actually. We'll go with 8 to 10 pupils class in one time. Apart from this, uh, we will be like I have mentioned, we'll start from the scratch. Let me give you a like a quick idea about the Excel, so it will be more interesting from you for you. So like here I have created few of the small tables. You can see I want to sum up these all marks which have been achieved by the students. So if I want to sum this all marks, and don't worry, I'm just giving you a idea how like you will be starting from the basics. So I am just giving you the idea. I'll explain these all things, each and everything in our live classes. So just uh, be available with me. Don't worry about what I am, why I have started from the equal. That is nothing but every functions in Excel should be start from the equal. Then we'll go with sum, then select the range. I'll let you know later on in our live classes how you can select the range, how you can fix the range. And once we have done with the formula, we got the answer. Similarly, if you want to get the average, simple formula average, select the range, and yes, here we have the answer. Minimum. Minimum is nothing but the minimum value from this uh, five values. So what is minimum? That is 20. Okay. So our answer should be 20. See, but what is the magic of the formula? If in future, if there is any change in the data set itself, so let's make this 60 beneath marks 60 to 10. So you will see the magic. This 20 will be automatically changed. See, so this is the main benefit of the formula. Once you apply it, it will work even if you change the values in future. Maximum also similarly like minimum, which is the maximum value here, that is 99. So once we put the formula, it should give us the 99. See, 99. Median is nothing but the middlest value from this range, that is 85. So it is what it is doing, it is the sorting this all amounts, and the middlest value it is extracting in our formula. Similarly, we can go with count also. We can go count a, count blank, count ifs. We have lots of the things. Okay, I'm just quickly I am applying the formula here. So this is count, and what is the difference between count and count a? So see, if I go with the count here, the main difference you will be able to get to know here. So it is giving me 4. Okay, it is giving me 4, not 5. Why? Because count formula can count only the numerical values. So GAF is the text, not numerical. So it will not able to count from the count function. So we have to go if we want to count each and everything, even it is text, even it is numerical, we should go with the count. Count blank, you can understand by the name itself. If there is any blank value, it will count. So count blank and select the range. See, 1. So there is one blank cell available. If we delete the other, any of the other cell, it will give you 2. See, it is changing. Count if is nothing but based on your uh, like condition. So if you want to give a condition like my um, mm, formula should count when this is available in the data set. So let's go with the count if. Count if it's asking for range, we will select the range. Then it's asking for criteria. So criteria is nothing but the value we want to search in this data sheet. So we will go with female because we have mentioned here number of female we want to count. We'll double quote, we'll mention F and enter. It is giving the 3. Similarly for male also we can do count if, select the range, comma, and now we'll search M, not F. Okay, so it will give you 2. Even if we change anything here, if we want to change this Suman F to M, it this two values, the output will be changed. See, 2 and 3. So this is the magic of the functions. Even if you make any changes in the existing data, it will automatically change. Let's go to the other one, the other exercise. If anybody come to you and ask, okay, these are the list where I have the full name, Sarah Kling, Sin, Wills, Colin, Abel. Okay, there are 13, 13 students list here. And if anybody come to you and wants to give me the first name of each full name here. So what he is asking, like he is asking, okay, Sarah, then the first name of the other student Sin. But what is happening? Like there are 13, okay, it will take 2 to 3 minutes time, or maybe if you are very good with typing, you can complete it in 1 minute. But suppose if there are 100,000 of full names, and if you want to get the first name of each full name, how you can do that? So there is a way in Excel. Here is the magic of Excel. That is nothing but I have pressed Control plus E. It's getting understand automatically. It's a functionality of Excel. If I have extracted the first name from the first full name, and if there is nothing, if I select the range and press Control plus E, it will give me the first name of each full name. So this level of functionality I'll be teaching you, you will be learning each and every classes. And not only this, but I'll be giving you the example of real challenges which I have faced, and I'll be giving sharing my experience with you so that you will not face such kind of challenges and you will be prepared. So challenges will be always there. I am not saying like if you will be learning each and everything, you will not face any challenge. You will be always facing challenges, and that's a good thing to increase your learning. Okay. So anyways, you will be uh, facing challenges, but you will be well prepared. Don't worry. Similarly, if we go, okay, here we have the full name list and we want to get the first name. But now, if we have the two separate columns, first name and the last name, and we want to get a full name list here in the E column. Is there any way? Yes, we can do that. So there is a function concatenate. Okay. First text, then second text. But what is happening? It's giving me without space because we have selected directly. So what you need to do? Give a space with double quote and Boom, we have the full name. Now, if we double click it here, there is a point you can see. If we double click from mouse, each and every full name is available now. So these are the functionalities which we need to understand, which we need to know, because each and every day we'll be learning with in your real time situations when you will be working with any of the organization. Every day you will be uh, learning new things, and you will be going through the large amount of data set. So you cannot go and do your work manually. Okay, I have to get the full name for this many. I'll write it Sarah, then space, then the surname. No, we cannot go with this way. We should be understand, we should use the functionality of the data analytics tools which you will be using. It might be different. Maybe some of the organization will go with the Excel only. Few of the organization will use Power BI. Maybe in other way, other organization will use W only. So it depends organization to organization. But if you will have the full package of this all four applications and tools, it will make your life easy. Uh, okay, let's go with VLOOKUP also. That's a very good example. So we have a list here. Okay, this reg number is nothing but it is the registration number. These are the students' names, and these are the marks which they have achieved. Okay, if my manager is coming and he wants, okay, the person whose registration number is 5, give me the name of that person and give me the marks of that person. Okay, so it is a very small data set. We can go, okay, 5, who is that student? We need, okay, we can copy, we can paste. Mark 56, we can copy, we can paste. But we don't need to do in this way. We are the data analyst. We should use the functionality of Excel. We should use the formula of Excel, so that even if your manager come back again, and if he changes his mind, okay, I don't need for 5, I need for 10. So again we'll have to do duplicate work, and we should not do that, because we'll have lots of like jobs which we need to perform every day. So we cannot do, okay, I have only one thing which I have to done in a day, so I can do this way. No, automate your work. How? So there is a function that is VLOOKUP. Don't worry, we'll be learning in detail in our live classes. Start with equal VLOOKUP. It's asking for lookup value. Lookup value is nothing but this, comma. It's asking for table array. It means the data set from where you want to extract your result. Okay. It's asking for column index, that will be 2, then comma 4 and 0 for exact match. Okay. And enter. See, this is giving we need. I'll show you what is the magic of this VLOOKUP. Okay. Let me get the marks also. VLOOKUP this, comma. Now we have to give the 3. For name, we gave 2, because 2 is nothing but the value which we want. We want name, and name is available on second number. And the counting will be start from the range we have selected. Okay, enter. Now 56. Okay, now okay, what I have mentioned, maybe manager changed his mind and coming, okay, I need for 10. So you don't need to do anything. Just you need to change this 5 to 10, and see, you have the result. Name is Arun, mark 78. If again he come back, okay, I need for 15. Here is the value. If you wants to change with 12, just you need to make this 12, and you will have the result. So these are the many little example which we'll be learning, and then we'll go to the advanced level. So I'm done from my end. I think I am Very excited to hear your questions. Please go on. One by one, you can ask your questions. If you have any doubt might be how you will be learning. If you are from the different background, how it will help you, how I will help you. That you can ask. Even if you have any other concerns, you can ask. I'll clear your doubts. Please go one by one. Anyone, please? Mm, Can all hear me? Sonal, Sushmita, Happiness, Ramkrishna, Prakash, V. Anybody? Any questions?
No question. It is good. Like
No
we explained, no?
questions.
So we
We
got
can
it.
hear you.
Yeah, sure. Please go on. Thank you, Prakash. Okay. Yes, Happiness. Do you have any question?
No questions. I just wanted to say that we hear you.
Yep. Okay.
The lesson
Thank
was
you.
very enlightening. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So, uh, today we like I was in very rush because I wanted to cover each and everything because since it's our demo class, every query, every concern, I wanted to explain in easy way. So I was in very quick mode. Don't worry, my pace will be very slow while we'll be learning in our daily classes. We'll go one by one. Okay, I'll be cover one topic, then I'll ask if you have any doubt. You can ask. Then until unless I'll not clear your doubt, we'll not move to the next topic. Don't worry. So we will cover each and everything. Then we will move to the next topic. That is the main thing. Like I told you, we'll have uh, most of eight pupils in one class or less than the eight, not more than eight, so that I can focus on each and everyone, and you will be also able. You will also have enough space to connect with me. So that will be our agenda. For more information regarding your fee details, regarding your schedule, the timings, you can connect with the management team. I hope you already have the information. If don't, let me know. I'll share the information with you, and you can connect with the management team. Uh, if still you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you can left for the day. I'll I hope to see you in our live classes, each and every one. And don't worry, we'll make everything easy for you. So I'll be here for next 5 minutes. Still, if you want to be here for any question, you can. Otherwise, thank you, everyone. Bye.